Hey guys, I made a reversible tote bag. First I made my template. I cut out 4 body pieces and 4 straps, 2 in one color and 2 in another color. For the straps, align one color with the other color and sew around the edge. Leave one end open. For the body of the bag, pair the colors with the backs facing out and sew the sides. I sewed 3/8 of an inch from the edge. Turn one of the body pieces inside out so that it's the right side facing out, and place it inside the other one. Then align the seams. Next, cut around the corners of the straps. I also trim the sides. To turn the straps inside out, I tucked in the end and used a dowel to wiggle the fabric down. Then I tucked in the ends and added a top stitch. Mark 1 inch on both ends of the straps. Leave 6 inches in the center of the body piece. Insert the strap between the 2 layers of fabric and pin them in place. Do the same to the other side. Make sure that the strap color matches the color of the body piece. Then sew along the top. I turned it inside out and added a top stitch. I also sewed a square with an X on the straps. Then flip one side open. Sew the bottoms and leave an opening on one side. Then align and sew the corners. Turn it inside out and close the opening with a ladder stitch. And here's how it turned out.